Welcome to the quick introduction screencast for Spring Roo, brought to you by SpringSource, the company behind the Spring framework. With Roo, you can easily build full Java applications in minutes. It offers higher Java productivity, stock standard Java sources, it is easily usable and learnable, there are no engineering trade-offs, and you can even remove your all Roo artifacts from your projects in only minutes. After downloading and unzipping Roo, you can add it to your path variable and then start the Roo shell. First-time users of the Roo shell should take advantage of the context-sensitive hinting support. The first command to create a new project is the project command, followed by the persistence setup command. In this case, we choose the Hibernate ORM mapper and an in-memory database. Then we can start creating our domain model for the contact application. Notice that the Roo shell offers convenient tab completion for all commands and also context-sensitive help, in this case displayed in green. Mandatory command attributes will be displayed by typing tab multiple times, whereas optional command attributes will be displayed by typing double dash followed by tab. The target type for the field command is displayed in blue font color on the left hand side. If you need to apply the field command to a different type, you can use the class attribute. The perform Eclipse command will generate all necessary project artifacts so you can import your project into the SpringSource tool suite or Eclipse. You can then run the Roo generated integration tests. You can also use the Roo shell integrated in the SpringSource tool suite to generate further artifacts such as web artifacts using the controller all command. Let's take a look at the generated contact project. You'll notice there are only private fields available in the source code. However, all getters and setters for these private fields as well as persistence logic is available at runtime of the application and even to development time thanks to the use of aspects. After deploying your application to your favorite web container, you'll be able to take a look at the Roo scaffolded web UI in your browser. The default scaffolded web UI uses Spring JavaScript to enhance form controls, and it also leverages Spring Framework's internationalization and theming support. Let's take a look at the contact pojo and its toString aspect. The toString aspect maintains a toString method which displays all field values of the contact pojo. When adding a new field to the contact pojo, you'll notice that the Roo shell in the background will automatically take care of updating the toString aspect with the new field value. To customize the getFirstName method in your contact Java bean aspect, you need to push in that method into your contact pojo itself by leveraging the SpringSource tool suite refactoring push-in support. If you would like Roo to manage the getFirstName method again, you can simply remove it from your source code and it will reappear in the relevant aspect. When looking at the Roo generated web resources, you'll notice a familiar best practice project structure. Finally, to remove all Roo-generated aspects, you can do a project-wide push-in of all aspects into the Java source codes and therefore remove all Roo-generated artifacts from your project. All source code can now be found in your Java types. This brings this screencast to a conclusion. We encourage you to take a look at the project resources, including the homepage, the forum, the issue tracker, and also you can follow us on Twitter using the #Rookie and also the @SchmidtStefan and BenAlexAU identifiers. Thank you.